So we made it to Leshan after an hour on the train. It's quite alright.
Very quick.
Yeah. Went up to like 200 kilometres an hour at one point.
Yeah, I didn't realise it's going to be a speed train.
And you can have little power plugs under the seat. And that was second class apparently.
Did you see the first class?
No, I didn't. Did you?
Well, yeah, it was very pretty.
Was it?
Very.
Maybe one day we'll share out. When we stop being so stingy. So yeah, well this is our room.
Or palace.
It's like 110 a night. Not sure which one it is. Maybe it's the business room. But I don't know. It's alright. There's a view out there of a river. And a bit of a grimy block of flats. But everything has prices on it in here. I thought, when we first walked in, I thought it was like a welcome basket. But no, everything's got a price on it. 3 for slippers. 2 for water. Etc. Etc. So, yeah, it's alright. Decor's alright.
I'm looking for a movie later.
On the TV.
Maybe this one.
In Chengdu we had like Chinese Netflix basically. It was pretty cool. All the English films just had Chinese subtitles, so we do understand.
Yeah. That one has Mr. Bean in it, but looks like a Chinese movie.
Okay.
You see? The one above?
Oh yeah. That is weird. Is that, what's his face, isn't it? Frank Freeman. Anyway. Yeah, so we've come to Leshan to check out the Big Buddha. But there's maybe other things to see. Seems like quite a big place. I was expecting it to be quite small, but I don't know why I haven't learnt yet that nowhere in China is small. Everywhere's massive, with massive skyscrapers and all that jazz. But yeah, got 2 nights here.
How much was it?
110 a night.
110. With the tax.
With the tax.
The first place we actually have to pay tax.
Yes. Anyway, let's go and check out Leshan. So now we're at Leshan bus station after 1 full day. What did you think?
Small, pretty town.
Yeah, I'd agree. It's definitely worthwhile, I think. If you've got the time and you're in Chengdu or the area, it's definitely worth a little side trip. You don't really need more than 1 day here unless you're set on seeing a lot of stuff. I don't really know what else there was, but the Buddha was good to see, so we saw that, and yeah, now we're at the bus station. Busy as always, loud.
I have no idea which one is our exit for the bus.
No, so they're all lined up along the side. Don't know which ours is going to be. Just going to have to show our ticket to someone. Yeah, we got about an hour until our bus. We're just going to a place called Yibin, which is near the Bamboo Sea, which is our next destination, where we've got 2 days to check it all out. And after that, we're going to do a lot of trains.
Yay! I love trains.
I think, because we want to go to Guilin next. We've only got 2 weeks left in China now. We've been here 4 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So it's flying by, and now it's sort of dawning on us that we need to start doing the rest of things and start getting towards Nanning, which is where we're flying out from 2 weeks tomorrow, I think, or 2 weeks today. Anyway, so we're going to head to Guilin after Yibin, which is going to be an 11-hour train, I think, and then a 22-hour train. It's going to be a long one, basically.
Sorry about that.
Alice loves trains.